Hey guys, how's it going? Here's your video for your test that you have tomorrow. Let's get started. We did some of these in class, so I'm gonna kind of go fast through some of these. Let's see. For this first one, we know that our answer is a 50% increase. Again, we've gone over that one in class. Over here we have 13 years to 7 years, so we have 13 minus 7 over our original, which is 13. I'm gonna do it with my calculator here again to save some time. So we have 13 minus 7 divided by 13. That gives us a 0.46. So that would be a 46% decrease. All right, here it says a tennis ball is $3.50. Last month the price was $4. What percent changed from last month to this month? So we're going from last month to this month. So last month it was 4 minus $3.50 over 4, which is going to give us an answer of 0.125. We can say a 12.5%, and then it would be a decrease, because this month is less than it was last month. All right, you think that 275 people will attend a baseball game. The actual number that attend is 250. 275 minus 250, and then we put that over. So to find our percent error, we find the difference. So our difference would be 25, and we put it over our original, which is 250. And if we divide 25 by 250, we get 0.1, or we can say a 10% error. All right, so we are finding, actually we're finding sales price here. So sales price is A. We find that by doing P times W. So our percent discount is 40%, times 45 is 18. So our sales price, oops, sorry, actually, hold on one second. Our answer is 18, but then remember we need to take that away from our original price. So 45 minus 18 would give us a total of $27 for that item. Okay, so here we are looking for our selling price again. So we have A equals PW. The markup was 25, so 0.25 multiplied by 25, so 0.25. 0.25 times 25 is equal to 6.25. We add that to our original price, and we get 31.25. All right, let's see here. Okay, so we have an original price now. So remember, when we're finding original price, we actually don't want to use this number. Instead, what we want to use is the opposite of this. So we want to use 0.95. So we're going to do 32. Sorry, actually, let me write my equation. I have A equals PW. 32 is equal to 0.95 times W. Then we divide each side by 0.95. Again, I'm going to do it with my calculator to save time. 32 divided by 0.95 is 33.68, and that would be our answer here. All right, so our equation for interest is I is equal to P R T. Let's see, so my interest earned is 40. I don't know my principal. My rate is 0.06 as a decimal. My time is 4 years. So 40 is equal to 0.06 times, 0.06 times 4. So 0.24 p. And then I divide by 0.24 on both sides to get p by itself. And then 40 divided by 0.24 is 166.67. So that would be my principal. Another word for principal is just the amount of money I put down at the beginning of the loan. All right, so here I'm looking for my interest rate. I wrote my same equation. I is equal to P R T. My interest earned is $65. My principal is $1,400. I'm looking for my rate, so R, and then my time is 6 months, so that's 0.5. Because remember, time is in years, so 6 months would be half of a year. Now I have 65 is equal to 1,400 times 0.5, which is 700 R. Divide both sides by 700 to get that R by itself. 65 divided by 700 is 0.09. But we got to change that back into a percent, so we would have 9%. All right, our last one here, we're looking for our interest earned. So I have I is equal to PRT again. So I don't know my I value, but I know my principal is 1,500. My rate is 0.025. And then my time is 5 years. So I'm going to multiply everything on the right-hand side, and that should get me to my answer. So 1,500 times 0.025 times 5 is equal to 187.5. So that was the amount of interest I earned, was $187.50. All right, I know it went fast in the video, but I wanted to make sure that I got everything in there. Calculations-wise, you guys will be okay with that tomorrow. As long as you understand the concepts, you should be absolutely okay. Good luck.